sa atin, sa Cebu. Oh! That right did connect boarding! Na rin yung ulo eh.
Oh. Boom! Abney went down.
Wow,
Abney with a
Abney.
good cover.
Oh,
Fight
that
to-
left to the body.
Oh!
Wow! Abney is down with that body
Yes,
punch.
yes.
Ito na po ang laban para sa IBF World Minimum Weight Title Eliminator. Philippines versus China. Ito ang ating pambato, undefeated fighter, Ian the Assassin Abney of ARQ Boxing Cebu. Rank number 4 ng IBF, number 10 ng WBA, at rank number 11 ng WBO sa minimum weight division. Ito naman ang pambato ng China, the knockout artist, Dianxing Zhu. IBF rank number 3, WBO rank number 4, at WBA rank number 5. 5 Pinoy na ang kanyang tinalo, kaya delikadong kalaban din itong si Dianxing Zhu.
We go to our main event of the evening, 12 rounds of boxing for the IBF minimum weight title eliminator. From Cebu City, the Philippines, introducing the assassin, Ian Paul Abney. Introducing the hard-hitting knockout artist, ladies and gentlemen, Dianxing Zhu.
The winner of this fight will become the IBF ranked number 1 contender and mandatory challenger. And Pedro Taduran is watching at the ringside dahil ang mananalo sa labang ito ay ang kaniyang susunod na makakalaban.
For the mandatory status of the IBF minimum weight, the winner will likely face Pedro Taduran. Third gold and red, and Ian Paul Abney on the wearing the pink and white. Dianxing Zhu. Two fighters are quality fighters fighting in the new Cebu Coliseum.
Really, a new Cebu Coliseum. It's it's a cold Cebu Coliseum now
Yeah.
compared to what 5 years ago, the last time I was here.
As always, Sir Sandy, ganyan lumaro si Dianxing Zhu. He will try to swirl you around and try to dig to the body.
Ian Paul Abney, they call him the assassin.
Ang tawag naman kay Filipino assassin kasi marami siyang Pilipinong
Pinatumba.
tumba. Pero may crossbreed meron yun. Or
Well, you can see.
ganyan lumaro si Dianxing Zhu. He will try to test your body.
Oh, good combination there by Ian, the assassin. Oh, good combination there, going left and right. Now he digs to the body. Dianxing Zhu just waiting for the right opportunity.
Yes. Kailangan tiisin ni Abney lahat ng suntok na ibabato ni Dianxing Zhu. Nice combination by Abney. For Abney, a one step closer.
And you have to admire. See, this is not his fighters.
Not
he
his
is
fighter.
here to promote this fight.
Abney, ganitong kaklaseng kamaltitude na preparado.
Assignment of Fernando Ocon as
Yes.
head trainer for
See.
the ARQ.
Sir Sandy, Fernando Ocon,
For all of you, to all of you who are watching this one, Pedro Taduran, the IBF champion, is
Nandito.
here
Dito.
to watch and to observe these two fighters. The winner will fight him in an IBF championship, minimum weight championship.
yes. And either fighter is a good matchup for Pedro Taduran.
Hey,
Ubusan talaga to, Sir Sandy. So, basan hindi siya mahihirapan dito.
oh, pag phone booth, nasa malayo ka lang eh. Final 2 minutes of round number 2.
Slugfest na to.
Good body shot by Abne. Jiang Xingzhu withstand this offensive onslaught by Ian Paul Abne.
Kasi
He's
preparado.
just coming in. He's just coming in.
Yes, kasi preparado din tong batang to. He comes on his
Makiktoto-to. Tumawa nga yung coach ng Chinese eh.
They even predicted round 3 or 4 knockout for on their favor.
Yung mga body shot ni Paul Abne, ano? Borderline na eh.
Yeah.
Oh? Jiang Xingzhu wearing gold with red, while Ian Paul Abne wearing pink with white.
Ang dami ng bato ni Abne. I really hope he could sustain this kind of...
Oh, yung ma-outpunch mo.
Oh,
Pagod
yan,
ka.
yan. Tama yung observation mo, Sir Sandy.
Jiang Xingzhu, medyo matipid pero tumitira, tumatama.
Yes, quality punches naman
Oo.
yung binabato niya.
Nasa corner yung dalawang boksingero. There goes the bell. And of round number 3. First 2 rounds.
Tsaka may game plan yata sila Abne talaga.
Puro uppercut na naman yung
Oo.
simula eh.
Oo. Talagang sinabayan. Oh, what?
Oh! Hindi. Sabi ni Attorney Dan.
Dig to the body. Talagang uulit-ulit yan. Di ba? How? Sino ang mauubos? Yun lang ang tanong dito. Pero so far, yung maraming binabato si Abne na kombinasyon na
On the other hand, he is trying to absorb those punches coming from Abne. And it seems like there's nothing going on for him.
Oo.
It's nothing happening.
kung bibilangin mo yung dami ng binato.
Pero puntos, okay yun. Para kay
Oo,
Ian Paul.
puntos. Pero yung wear and tear,
Yun.
yun ang magdadala a little bit later on. Ayun na, partner, oh. Siyempre medyo mapapagod ka din. We are all
suntok ka
human.
na suntok. Wala nangyayari, no?
Yung first 4 round, i-gauge niya kung hanggang saan ka.
Oo. Suntok, lumalamot, humihina na yung
Yeah.
kombinasyon. And so far, Ian Paul Abne throwing big punches and solid punches. Jiang Xingzhu able to absorb those punches and he is coming in front of Ian Paul Abne.
Hindi siya umaatras eh.
Hindi.
Hindi siya
Siyang
umaatras.
pumapasok eh. It's hit or get hit.
Oh, yes.
Listen to the crowd and
Talagang
the coaches of these two fighters.
nakipagsabayan na talaga si Ian Abne. Brutal ng larong boxing.
Oo.
Imagine, as early as round number 3, gano'n ang kadaming headshots. Oh, that left did connect for Abne.
Oh.
That seemingly stunned Jing Jiangsu.
He is throwing everything there. And that goes round number 3.
Pero
Those are hard punches to the face of Zhu.
pa ng unification, medyo step aside konti ang mandatory. Mandatory.
Yung nanalo dito. Two and a half remaining in the 4th round.
Kaya medyo binababaan din ni Abne yung crouch niya ay para hindi umabot yung suntok ni Ding Jiangsu.
Nakayuko siya eh. No?
Ayun, medyo binababa niya ng
Ang
konti.
dami ng, for me, powerful punches na yun eh. Very strong punches. Pero tingnan mo yung mukha ni Zhu.
Oo.
Walang nangyayari. Jiang Xingzhu, 16 wins with only 1 defeat and 14 wins by way of knockout. 14.
Yeah.
At maraming Pinoy din yan, ano?
Marami.
But Ian Paul Abne, undefeated fighter, coming into this match against Jiang Xingzhu.
And he is holding on his own so far on round number 4. Upper, medyo babaan pa niya, hindi na umabot.
At itong si Jiang Xingzhu, he continues to... Whoa! Ang galing ng cameraman natin, no?
Oo.
Abne.
Yun yung sinasabi ng parang ano eh. Parang inaasawa na eh. Di ba?
Si Abne doon sa mukha. Bumawi si Abne. Styles makes fights.
Yes.
Ito pareho eh.
Balang talagang catches the win of Jeric Noynoy.
By the way, our judges here, they're not from...
Yung Thailander naiwan pa yung maleta sa Maynila.
Oh.
At wala silang masusuot.
Anong gito?
Ay talagang na kung pwede madala sa Cebu. Sa atin, sa Cebu. Oh! That right did connect boarding! Tsaka round 5 na. Ito na yung mga round na gusto niya.
Ganito yung estilo. May mayayari talaga. May lockdown talaga.
Meron at meron. Kasi from round 1 to round 12 percentage na walang babaksak ng ganyang klaseng laban. Papasalamat tayo sa technical people. Ang ganda ng coverage natin ngayon. Thank you very much. Yung
You're trying to catch your breath.
Yeah, of course.
Pahinga ka muna ng
laban.
ang galing. Maganda sa...
Wow, grabe.
It's hit and get hit. Give and take to eh. Yung parang, hindi naman robot. Ano yan eh. Instinct na nila yan eh. Nasuntukan na lang tayo.
Medyo na
sabay-sabay pang sumuntok.
End of round number 5.
Walang namabagang mukha.
Oo. So, pag pumasok to ng 8-9 rounds at ganyan pa rin ang laban, then it will be very, very interesting na.
Ito, mahirap diskuran.
Oo, mapakahirap. Napakahirap.
Now we've seen, and we've 2 minutes, 27 seconds remaining in round number 6. Zhu with 14 knockouts, 16 wins. And Abne will be warned by Attorney Dandrex Taptasan. Ba na yung tira ni Abne, no? Borderline na sa belt eh.
Yeah. Makikita naman ng referee yan kung below na eh.
Borderline niya. Oh! Quick right hand by Zhu to the face. That's 3 straight and answered.
Oh, that upper did connect for Abne. Grabe yung Abne. Taas, baba, upper, baba, upper,
bumaba.
upper,
Borderline.
baba. Absolutely right, Sir Sandy.
Good combination there by Zhu. Abne staying.
Makikita mo humihinga na rin ng malalim si Ding eh.
Sumugod siya para...
that left to the body. Wow! Abne is down with that body punch.
Yes. Oh, he's being counted. He's looking at his head coach, Fernando Ocon. That was a great body punch.
Great body punch.
Pagod na, tinamaan pa. Saved by the bell.
Ayan na yung wear and
He
tear.
is breathing heavily through his mouth already. Smith. The corner of Abne will do here.
Lumaban na kasi si Abne ng sabayan.
Yun. Yung estilo ni Jansing Zhu.
And he is going for broke also na.
Tumitira siya pero paatras eh. Tingnan mo si Zhu naman, atake ng atake. Kahit tinamaan na sa mukha, atake pa rin.
At saka yung pag-atras mo, Sir Sandy, you are exerting effort dyan. May mapapagod ka rin. Pero matibay din yung Abne. Matibay.
He went down. He may be punching but he is backpedaling.
Yun, tumama.
It was like a retreat punch. While
the heart of Ian Abne talaga.
or parang bata na inutusan mo bumili ng suka sa tindahan. Gusto natin makita ulit yung Richard Araneta, no?
Hopefully. Kasi alam ko, may jury na.
And Abne is in the corner right now. Jansing Zhu attacking.
Ian Ian Abne, why I am
Basang-basa na yung corner ni...
round number 8 na Sir Sandy. If I
And he was started a little bit that time. Good combination there by Jiansing Zhu. Uppercut by Abne.
wow, this
Good exchange by both. Oh, nice left hand by Abne. Title eliminator. The
Yes.
winner will face Pedro Taduran, who is here tonight with us, watching the proceedings. Final 2 minutes of round number 8. Another beautiful exchange by these two. Round 6. Abne went down.
Wow,
Abne with a
Abne.
good combination to the face of Zhu. Zhu answers back with one solid punch. The 1-2 there by Zhu. Yan yung ginagawa ni Abne, no? Pagod eh.
medyo baba konti. Pero hindi mo matatawaran yung willingness niya.
Oo.
Yung
Ganun lang eh.
walang adjustment.
Parang kayo na bahala dyan.
Oo,
Walang nagja-jab-jab.
wala. Wow! Ian Abne is showing something.
Sinabi kong right, may left na eh.
Oo.
Eh yun, madulas na. Oh! Oh, knockdown.
Another knockdown. I think he is showing sign na ayaw niya na. Nakita ko eh. Umiling na si Ian.
Oh, he is cut. Nakatman eh.
Oo, meron.
Medyo madulas na rin yung sapatos niya. Kasi ang talaga sarado talaga yan.
Hindi, baba na ang hinga niya rin. So pagod na rin siya.
Eh kanina pa sila eh.
Oo.
Oh, championship round na ito ha.
Oo. Ito na yung mga deciding round. Alam mo, pero easier said than done, siyempre.
Parang stalker itong si...
Hindi ako
Oh.
naniniwala. Because nakikita mo yung
Ito yun ang hanap ng mga boxing fans sa tagal-tagal eh.
alam mo, parang napagod din yung audience.
Tayo rin.
Pansin ko. Napagod yun.
Oo.
Oo.
But he continues to stalk Paul Abne, the assassin. Mga ulo yan eh, na tumatama kanina pa eh, no? Final.
Hindi lang tumama. To end round number 9.
And what a way to end that round by Zhu.
I think nung pagtingin nasa taas ni Ian Abne, he is asking for divine intervention also.
Oo.
Nasa round 10.
Kasi kanina binigay niya nila pati lababo eh.
Oo.
Wala, nakatayo pa rin si Jiansing Zhu at the aggressive fighter here, but Zhu is just staying.
Sa Manila ng ganyan, nagkaroon din ng masamang case kasi medyo lumobo na talaga maigi. Mas maganda,
Bukol yan sa Clash of Heads yan eh.
mas maganda pang araw, dumudugo.
Oo, kasi
Oo.
yung
Hanggang konti lang pero mararamdaman mo.
and humihina na rin yung mga suntok ni
Mahina
Jiansing
na rin.
Zhu.
Mahina na sa normal.
Round number 10.
Wow, Ian Abne showing that flurry on the last 20 seconds.
Zhu with a combination. There goes the bell. And of round number 10. Round number 11 of a fight scheduled for 12. The Fist of Fury title eliminator of the IBF minimum weight division. Ang lakas na mga suntok ni Abne, no? Pero
Alam mo, if I were Abne, I would try to connect on dun sa swelling. Tingin ko.
Oo.
Oo. Birahin niya ng birahin. I think ang laki na nung
Swelling.
Oh, ang laki na.
lalaki pa yan bukas.
Oo, lalaki yan. Oo.
Yan yung panangga niya eh, yung noon niya eh.
Oo. Na rin yung ulo eh.
Boom!
Oo.
1-2 combination.
Parang magkakamali yung prediction ng Chinese na hindi will stoppage on 3 on 4. Tsaka parang nagkaroon ng second win yung Abne.
Well, Abne, he's been cornered so many times in this fight.
The final round!
There you go, the final round.
Abne is giving it a try.
The force awakens.
Nabuhay yung Abne.
He went down in round number 6.
Yes.
Beautiful punch to the face by Zhu. But still, Zhu is still staying in front of Abne with a big swell on the head. They say if a picture paint,
1,000 words.
don't say it. Don't see Zhu. So ito yung unang Pilipino na
Natapos.
natapos.
Si Richard Garden natapos din.
Natapos din.
Oh.
Yes.
The W.
Oh. And Abne answers back. Zhu. Final.
Kailangan ka magpahinga din.
Ito ang resulta. Bukas ang sakit nito. Beautiful
Grabe.
exchange. About 10 seconds. All right. How about this fight?
Wow!
Oh, beautiful finish by both Zhu
Wow.
and Abne.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
And after 12 rounds of boxing here inside the new Cebu Coliseum, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Sanok Almin scores about 115 to 111. Judge Kringsak Fong Ho scores about 114 to 112. Judge Katsuhiko Nakamura scores about 116 to 110. All three are in favor to the winner by unanimous decision. Ladies and gentlemen, Dianzing Zhu! Michael C. will award the trophy.